Guys, so today video I'm gonna eat the strawberries. Stop.
Honestly, now I don't understand. And now
Same.
I feel fresh.
Same. Nice time.
You take shower later.
Oh no.
Obviously. Just mix them. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Guys, at the bottom. There's oh. Look. Look.
It smells like baby lotion.
That's, the pistachio is down.
I'm excited. Only for the pistachio.
Tastes good.
It's nice, but you can add more pistachio than chocolate. Yeah. You put more strawberries. My strawberries are sour for some reason.
Mine is sweet.
It's at zero sugar but still sweet.
Mapo, in the picture it shows more pistachio down here.
Yes.
What
Scam,
is
scam,
this?
scam, 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 scam. I copied it from Krakow. Ew, now the wax thing.
It's what?
Nothing. Did someone caught him? Did the teacher saw him?
No.
You see, look. Look.
There's a logo.
Look. See there?
I
And
missed it.
then, maybe later you see it.
There's a lot.
Ito. What does it look like,
I
macaronia?
want to try all the strawberry first.
Ito. Look.
Tubig.
I'll,
Ah.
Leaf. Where did you find the leaf from? Strawberry.
Mas istorbo pa nga pag winter, yung natutulog ka na.
strawberry. I thought they removed them all.
Kasi pag ano naman ngayon eh.
Sour.
Summer ngayon kaya kailangan natin.
Kasi pag yung bababa na siya,
Mine are sweet.
Ah.
parang may gumagano siya.
Baka sa dugo niya siguro.
Nabasa niya, kailangan daw minom ng maraming tubig.
So you're gonna have to wipe it out.
Nag-inom tapos nasa yung plano namin. Papunta kami, so naging okay. Tapos nung pauwi kami, gano'n na naman. Uminom na naman siya ng tubig. Pagdating namin sa airport sa bago.
Bumbaya.
Kaya naman.